Hello and welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. We had a question recently asking how the expansion joints are holding up. We actually installed vinyl in our expansion joints about 3 years ago, and you know, I didn't know how they were holding up because I don't really notice them. So today we're just going to take a quick look to see how they're holding up. If you're interested in doing this, and again, we replaced the wood that was between the expansion joints in my sidewalk for vinyl. So let's take a look. All right, so this is the first one that we put in place, and you can see it's pretty much exactly how we put it in. Maybe it's fallen a little bit over here. It does seem to have some kind of, I think it's gotten really hot because we're in Florida, and it does seem to have a little bit of damage maybe to it. It's kind of like raised cracking a little bit that's happened, but it doesn't feel like it's messed with the integrity at all of the piece. It's still holding nicely, and I'm happy with it. All right, this is the next one here. You can see it has sunk a little bit, and this could easily be because we got these expansion joints come in different heights, so they could be taller or shorter, and ours were a little bit shorter, so that's probably why it sunk a little bit, but it's still doing its job of kind of between these two slats here. So, and it is dirty. I'm actually going to see if Mom can try to clean it with a magic eraser to see if it cleans up, to show you if you're interested. All right, and this is that third one that we put in, and you can see it's pretty much exactly how we put it in place. The only thing is it's a little bit dirty. Mom did try cleaning this section, and it's a little bit cleaner, but really not that much different. We do spray Wet and Forget on the concrete sidewalk, and it gets on here, and so I do feel like it gets cleaner once Wet and Forget's been applied, and we'll put a link to what Wet and Forget is if you're not familiar with it. It's one of our favorite outdoor cleaning products. So this one definitely is in place, and again, we're in Florida, so we have probably more hot weather and more kind of weather conditions in some other areas. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 3 expansion joints 3 years later. Overall, I'm happy with them. The kind of the discoloration and the little bit of maybe like heat damage is not a problem for me. You know, I'm not sure how long they are supposed to last, like in like perfect condition, anything like that. But overall, I feel like they look way better than the wood that I had there before. And there's no deterioration. Like the wood was it was actually like breaking down. And so then it wasn't doing its job of filling in the expansion joint. So these are still doing their job. They're not breaking down. You know, we'll see over a couple more years if they break down completely where I have to replace them. But overall, I'm pretty happy with them. And if you have any questions about them, again, the brand that we use is called Slab Gasket. And we ordered those on Amazon. But I think you can also get them from slabgasket.com. We'll put links to everything down below. All right, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.